Good morning, middle schoolers. Wanted to let you know about a couple of things that have come my way. First off, we had a really good staff meeting yesterday with all staff. I think there were 31 or 32 participants in that. We did that via Google Hangout Meet and worked really well. People were able to express their opinion. We talked a lot about the ways that we can improve our instruction with you guys and connect you. I did talk a little bit about making some phone calls on Friday afternoon, just encouraging some students, not trying to make sure everybody is participating and being hard-nosed about it, because really what we're doing is encouraging everybody to participate just for their health and well-being. And we hope that you continue to do that, because I think it is good for you. I think it does strike that balance. I'm hoping that you continue to support your parents in these somewhat tough times. So the other thing I wanted to mention, and I'll send a link as well with this video post, but kind of creeping into social media and into some people's news are a bunch of myths regarding the coronavirus and what you can do about it. And I thought I'd just take a second and just show you some pages. And again, I'll share these links. This is one from the World Health Organization that does a really good job describing, like this one is, that cold weather and snow cannot kill the new coronavirus. And it just explains what's actually the case according to the World Health Organization. This is a page from FEMA where they go into some specifics about the virus itself and then what you can do. I thought most importantly, this frequently asked questions was valuable. And then the FDA also put out something, and we're going to see this as we continue through this, that there's going to be some fraud and some people that are trying to make money on this, trying to sell kits and that kind of thing. And the FDA has provided some guidance with that. So what I'm just asking you to do at this point is just be careful about those myths and make sure that you're doing a good job. I still go back to, it is vital that you continue to socially distance yourself. That doesn't mean that you need to be away from everybody completely. You just got to maintain at least a 6-foot distance from anyone. I would encourage you also to make sure that you're aware of what kinds of surfaces you're touching with your hands, because door handle or particular toy that somebody just played with, or anything like that, the fridge handle, all those things are potentially a problem if you have somebody else that's not normally in your home over at any point. And I would discourage that. I do think it would be great for you to get outside, and in these beautiful days that we had yesterday and what it looks like going to be today, I think that is still one of the best ways. But you can't go hang out at the playground or anything like that. You've got to keep your distance away from others. I would just encourage you to go for a walk with either your siblings or mom or dad, and remember that as a family unit, you're together, and that anything that you can do to help support your mom and dad and make things a little bit better at home, just do it. If that means that you fold laundry for 20 minutes or whatever, there's certainly some things that come around and would benefit you. So that's the update for today. I'm hoping that this finds you well. I'm being honest when I say that I'm totally missing you guys. I saw a couple of kids that were actually running this morning, keeping their distance, but they're running together. A couple of high schoolers. Talked with them for a few minutes, and that was just enjoyable to meet and greet. And I hope that you take care of yourselves, and we'll continue on fighting the fight.